I think upon your goodness and your faithfulness each day, I'm convinced it's not because I am worthy to receive the kind of love that you give, but I'm grateful for your mercy.
Pastor Reverend Joshua.
The very Reverend.
Yeah.
You know, when you came back, when you came last year and last time, I was still a priest. But now I was promoted to the office of presbyter.
Congratulations.
So that's part of the Thanksgiving I did on 2nd January.
Okay.
Yes, I was ordained on 16 December.
Good.
So that is the level one is now. So I am the very Reverend Joshua Okpara.
Yes.
Yeah, the very Reverend Joshua Okpara. Though generally in Abia State, if you want to get me very, very quick, you call Umuada Jehovah, everybody knows me. That's it. So last year, you people came in here and identified with us, and they made some promises, made some donations. We received it with every gladness, and we know the level of relief those things give to us. They give us. Some of the staff we are paying salary, it helps us to pay their arrears. So you wouldn't know the level of relief we had. So, and even the food items they received that time, it helped them a lot. So we started a project which you people initiated, just renovation of the church. You sent somebody, he came to our office, I discussed with them, gave them open hand, said they're going to do the direct job themselves. I say no problem. Our interest is all about the building. I'm not interested for you to give me the money or to any other thing. If you want us to do, our interest here is to have a result. So they started and got to the extent the work is now. So coming to what you asked, we do have some other people. Though for a long time, I think you are the only people from such level that has
for 8 years.
For 8 years that have visited us and came up with a project like this. So the other people we do have, they are local visitors, like churches, ministries, and some individuals that are within. Are you getting this?
So
we've not had
is the one that has given them a big voice.
That is it. We've not had any that come and took up a project. Are you getting me? Though we do have individuals that do come to make little donations. So that is just the issue. So if this project that people are holding are just doing here is the project we have around this summer. When you talk of challenges, we have so many challenges. Like when they were asking me, I told them my priority or the major project I'm looking at is this house of God. Okay. I know that right now we're having yes. Right now, Jehovah, that is it. Right now we're having challenges of vehicle. Before now we do have a lot of bus to carry them. Like as they travel to Christmas, we do take them back to their places. After sometimes we go and pick them. So right now we don't have any. Those we have all.
I see Mother's
that is Mother's Division.
Yeah, so they connected with them.
It's under my office.
Okay.
So it's because of this place I've known right now. Okay. That is why I picked that one to make sure the work is flowing. Okay. That is the issue. So that's another major here there are many things. As I rightly said, I don't know where to start and where to stop.
This is what you're gonna do, and I think you need to talk because this is your chapter. I want you before we go, make the list again. I know you made a list before, because when you finish talking with them and we go to site, you're going to present what we are here for and how you guys can do it. Because innovating the church is a big project, but you got to know certain things that are yeah. So
the church, maybe the vehicle, that's another thing I'm talking of. That will help the not pleasure if it is serious, if it is boss, something that will be useful for the inmate. I'm not talking of my official car, private vehicle. We need something that will be helping us. Most times, some people do call them to come in a group on outing, and you know their condition. Most transporters don't allow them to join their vehicle.
Last year, the foreign doctor told me immediately they gave the first dose that they are not infectious, right?
He said it,
yeah.
But it is hard for us to
get the
to explain to them. Are you getting it? In as much as they are seeing some things that put fear in them, whatever you are telling them, they are not ready. So that stigma is there. That's the problem. It's not as if that we are saying that it's infectious. No. But the issue remains that people don't understand it from that level. Like we that are here, I've been here for 3 to 4 years. I'm even healthier. Are you getting me? I'm just saying I'm even healthier. So we relate with them, we worship together with them. It does not mean we are afraid of them or we are scared. But the issue is that most places they are supposed to go, are you getting me? We find it difficult to take them to those places. We must try as much as possible to help in making sure they get to any call they have, because sometimes people will call them, come. Churches will say, come and worship with us. Government may have any program just to feature them, though it doesn't benefit us anything. Just to feature them.
The politicians do that.
They went for the singing competition
at the government house, not to help them, just to take them and do politics.
Well, that's the reason they should help.
No, they're not interested. So these are some of the challenges we do have.
But you must send them out there even though they are not helping you.
The issue, frustration, when somebody is frustrated, you don't know the area the help will come from. You will always try and comply. If you refuse, somebody will say, maybe the enemy of progress, you don't want them to do this or do that. But most times we do go, we come back without anything. Like the other day, they spent their money, chartered vehicle. With chartered vehicle, we went, they came back empty-handed.
Oh, that's wrong. That's wrong. That's wrong.
Yeah, it's as serious as that. So these are some of the things we are looking at.
Okay, let me have the chief of staff and the chapter representative to speak on behalf of the chapter.
Praise the Lord. I know this is kind of a godly place, I should say. So we are thrilled to pick this chapter. After seeing the pictures and the videos, it was so touching to us. So I made the chapter account, and we sent somebody as Onishani to come here and ask for what is. I think we have a lot of needs. What is your immediate needs? Or now what you said that is a challenging thing. So most of the time, you don't pray or
in the rainy season. It's horrible.
It's horrible. So at that time, all of us know that your most pressing need is that church, so that you can have a place to worship. So one of our members, our former coordinator, at that time was kind of the most contact person in the world. And through her, so she started something. 2 days ago, I saw some pillars and kind of leftover materials, which have been used in order to start the pillar for the church. So So I did that today with our founder and overseer to commission, what we've already started, and to also continue to do. See, I know it's a very big project, and we're not going to promise you that we're going to finish it at once. It's our chapter, our baby chapter. There's going to be a progressive walk here, By the grace of God, we'll be able to say, this is it. This is what Umuada and Igbo in general have done to this chapter and make a difference in this place. That's what I have right now to say. So
thank you, madam. So borrowing from this is their vision to assist you for your most need. When we finish one project, we go back to the community after we have presented what we have done, see if we can raise fund. Nobody saw that picture that they required. I guaranteed you even last year that I got passion when I come back. That passion has not gone. Actually, I felt more compelled and more excited to see them still singing, praising.
And some of them travel for X months.
Yeah, but it shows that the hopes are not lost. See, they still have hope that things will be better. So I'm gonna go with her. We go commissioning, but they're gonna tell you who is gonna be in charge. They're gonna start. That person who came here and the contract is nullified, so they are gonna have a new contractor, which probably will be the best person to contract them, and then they will be sending money through that person or whatever. But this is going to be part of our center now, all right? This burden of God, you're not going to carry that cross alone. We're going to help you no matter how little it is. And I think the Church of God is where everything is going to be good, right? So we thank you. So how are the inmates since the last time we came? How many have gone?
Since last year.
Since January last year we came.
I think none of them are gone. Instead, we have more people. We are still with all of them.
Okay, how about the feeding? Last time, I cry when you say you have to use your hand to, try to make their own farm.
They go their farm.
They stay farming?
Like, of a truth, this last Christmas has been the most difficult Christmas I witnessed since I came in here.
What
Because
happened?
before now, by 22, 23, we've gathered bags of rice to share them. Are you getting me? But the hardship and the problem challenges we have, we could not even have a grain of rice to give them up till now. It was in this new year, like between 2 days ago and we got few things here. We are hoping to give them now. So if you ask them, nobody gave them anything. Before now, by Christmas like that, we do buy even there are times we do buy both the meat they will use, give them granite oil. But this Christmas, of the truth, nobody benefited a single thing from this.
Not even the local government people?
Not even nobody.
What about the church? The Methodist church? I see that they are the biggest in here.
The church, the Methodist church have seasons of doing their own. Like in the period of Women's Fellowship Conference, Men's Fellowship Conference, the conference, those are the seasons they come up. Are you getting me? Though churches do come, because right here, people that are here now, they are not Methodist. We don't have up to 2 Methodists here now. They are of different denominations. Roman Catholic,
Are you
Anglican.
Methodist?
I'm a Methodist preacher, Roman Catholic, and all the rest of them. When you talk of the various states, we have almost all the southeast states here, including
Benue.
not Benue, Cross River, Akwa Ibom.
Yeah,
I get
last
it.
time we have Aqua.
We have them here. They are still here now. So almost Imo, Anambra, Enugu, and all the rest of them, we have them here.
So the new inmates you have this year, how did they come?
They do come through the health unit.
Okay, they send them there.
Yes, whenever they come to that place, being admitted to be treated, the health department takes care of their medical, whereas the welfare part of them comes to us as a responsibility.
Okay. So where do you get the fund for the welfare?
The welfare is just from individual, from solicitation from churches and individuals.
So the government is
No. The last tenor that brought in something here was Ojo Zaka, am I correct? That's Abia State.
9 years ago.
I get it. So all through the stay of TL, I'm talking of 12 years ago. Yeah. T Estate 8 years.
Have you ever applied or asked for government aid?
We've gone severally. I get it. We've gone there severally. We've made all the attempts. So in as much as that place is concerned, we are seeing that we have just decided that going there is making mockery of ourselves. Because when you see a government that couldn't pay salaries of workers, they are not doing anything. There is nothing to show that things are going well. So when you talk of the inmates that are being thrown out into the wilderness, what are they doing with those people? What value do these people have to their political ambition? Those are they are looking for people that have value into their politics. So for this place, they are not seeing here as a place to do anything. There are, of a truth, there are a good number of them that died here out of hunger.
Let me give you my information because we need to start talking.
So, like, when you say, how do they feed? How do you feed them? Do you have a program like there is breakfast, lunch, or
Yes,
dinner?
before now we do have it that way.
Okay.
I get me. Before now we do feed them generally. We have cook for them. But due to challenges of money, we can't pay the cook. Gathering the food becomes problem. So most times they sort for the food themselves.
Yeah,
They farm. They force themselves and start farming.
Get whatever they have to eat by themselves.
Yeah.
They may have to do whatever with their hands.
With the little we do gather here. Like if you enter here now, we have some little things people brought within 2 days and within 2 days ago. So those are the things we are just planning to give them right now after their gathering. As we are looking in such a way, we have little things that if they share it will. No,
What is about that guy, the one that was sitting he was like the older one that day. He was sitting right here.
This guy. Is he not here? Should be him.
Or not here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Chief.
Mama.
Do you have children?
Yes, they have children. But we don't know a lot of.
Did this sickness get into the children through their mother or they were born with it?
No, though sometimes.
Why would the children be here if their parents is the one sick?
Nobody to take care of their children for them.
Okay. So they sit with them.
Yeah.
And we're going to here, one inside here.
Yeah.
How many?
We just had one last year, though she's not here with us now. She traveled.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because we also want to know how many children, when you start communicating with me, I want to know how many children are there the residents, their names and all that. And we're going to go beyond just building a house of God for you. But I know the house of God without health and people, being alive, they will not be in that church, right? So we still need to think about the basic needs of any human being is, food, shelter, and security.
Yeah.
That security you guys already given them.
Yeah.
But food and then what did I say?
Shelter.
Shelter.
Yeah.
You're giving shelter.
Like I know that there are some of them that are due to go back. But the problem is they don't have a shelter.
In their place.
Before now, we built houses for hundreds of them. 108.
You guys build?
Yeah.
So wherever they are, they have a home.
Those people that left here, all of them left with
A home.
a home. And also they were empowered.
Okay,
They
good.
were empowered also.
And those homes, how would you identify their homes since some of them don't know
No,
where they come
the
from?
ones that knew where they came from.
Okay.
Are you getting me? And there are ones we traced by ourselves.
Okay.
Like my predecessor, he did a very, very heavy job here, tracing some of their homes.
Through the admission, their history
We,
is
we,
also
we have document that tells us how some of them came in,
during admission.
because they were admitted at the hospital in there, at the health unit. So we get the information there. We raised money and they...
This is my business card. I'm the owner of this business, but if you want to call me when I'm gone, you call me on my American line. But I'm still here. This is my phone number here. This is my email address. If you want to know more about Umuada Igbo and you want to send message if you can't get, but you get me here, you can Google. I gave you all this information last time.
No.
You never go to see our website because that is how we get you to know that we're not for profit and all we need to do is how to better the life of our people. Okay?
Yeah.
umuadandigbo.org, right? And but those you need to give me your card. When open in her card, I need to your administrative letter.
Give me a letter.
Okay, letterhead.
My mail and my email and my phone
I've
number.
given
Yeah, you gotta give me one. Give me one, and then Chi. I think you also need to think about the basic needs. Since the feeding is also a challenge, and somebody who doesn't have hands are doing man level to get food, that is very, very difficult. What I'm thinking is, do you guys ever thought about small business loan where they give them money to go to the market, buy stuff and sell and be able to raise money from there? If they do like a little business, can people buy food from them? I'm sure they won't buy food, but can they buy things that doesn't involve food?
The issue is something that are healthier. We empower them, we try to take them to learn a kind of skill acquisition.
Yeah.
I get me. That is the easiest thing
This thing.
they can do, and the people will relate with them. When you talk of maybe doing a business of maybe crayfish or anything, it may not
You're not gonna work.
properly. Although there are few of them.
What about sewing? What about carpentry?
That's what I'm saying.
Those things that
skill acquisition.
doesn't involve direct contact with people.
Yeah, but like here before now, we have a supermarket, a kind of store. Are you getting me? At the hospital, that place, that side of the hospital, we have a kind of a store. We sell provisions and other things. That is where we raise money that helps us to take care of them. So,
People from the community come there to
from the
buy.
community, from the hospital.
To staff and
And as of this moment, one of the things we are doing, because our concern now, is not all about sending food. It's good to send food. But we are looking for a project, a money using venture.
Yes.
Like Gary processing milk.
Yes, exactly.
Like Gary,
Something, that is processing meal. So get the machine put here
we have a land.
that you can build it.
With my little vision, I can build it and attract people from different communities to come and
Jesus
That
Christ.
is where
That is our first vision.
that's where we'll be grinding the garri, drying, frying it,
Yes.
making sure that we have everything to process garri. So that is the level of processing meat that gives money now.
God has answered the prayer.
Because it's not everywhere you see it. And right now, within this usual calling area, there is no place to see it. The processing mentioned with frying mentioned and everything. So those are the things.
God have answered your prayer.
Thank you, man.
This is our long-term goal.
God bless you.
Our problem is the land. We got the land.
We got the land.
All we need to do
We get it.
is for you to find the marketers who will know how to get the machine. Okay?
We have all
Then
these things.
you have all those things. You will get money, you build it, and whatever you guys raise is for you guys. We are not going to ask you for a
Like
dime.
now, some people are rehabilitating our oil mill. We have an oil mill. I told them that these are some of the things I'm looking for.
Oh
I
God.
don't need in a situation you are sending
Are
me
you
like-
listening to this?
we're working, if you can walk down there, we have an oil mill. We are trying to fix back because we have palm trees here.
Cassava mill industry.
Yeah, we have palm trees here and we are working towards generating money to make sure we don't starve them. Because I feel bad seeing them not living and they,
Give them job
yeah,
and they're able to feed.
yeah.
You teach them how to fish and they will feed the whole village. And they will have access to take care of their generation. You know what it means? For life, you have given somebody a hope and you change their life for good.
Yeah, that's what
Cassava mill industry.
that's what we are looking at.
Cassava mill industry is going to be here.
Yes, which will. I don't remember that. Oh. I know where she's from. That's
Cassava mill industry.
That's what
God has
she.
answered our prayers.
That's what she been singing and singing and singing.
I told you that
many years.
we are meant to be here. We are meant to be here. We came here 2 days ago.
Empowerment.
The whole place could have burnt down,
Sure,
right?
sure.
The whole place could have burnt down if
She
not
really
because
tried.
of us.
These are brothers.
So,
They really
I
tried.
was attacked.
This is
I'm
Our
told so
call is
many
here. We have a
lies
call
because
in
of
this.
cassava mill
so
industry.
we're here to stay. We are here. After how many hours we hold on, God wanted to use us to make a name for Himself.
No.
And brought us
That's
here
God
at
for
the
you.
right time for us to identify that there is an ongoing fire in the place.
Hey, my God.
All right, so let's start going. Let me talk to them. Can we go get our medications and all that?
Yeah.
Also, what we have is that because this year we are doing medical missions and we're commissioning centers. The center is this one and River State and Imo State. We already commissioned Imo State for children, a special education center. We did it on what day is that? On the 5th. So we're gonna go to what do you call it? Elderly Center in River State. So the state that doesn't have things to their chapters that have adopted them, we run medical missions. So, but because I am the mother of every of the chapters, I decided that each state will still get medication. So we have analgesics, we have pain medication, we have children medication. That was why I was asking. I have supplements. We are not going to give you the main. When we want to run medical mission here, we get doctors to come and help us with it. But we are not going to give you prescribed medication, but we're going to give you things that are going to help this center. The one thing that I'm happy that I will take home is that the continuation of care or welfare, that the person I saw last year is still the same person here. That means you're not going anywhere. This is part of what you have donated yourself.
Sometimes now we're not doing it.
Okay. So they're going to bring all the medication. I would like the emails. When they can know inside, then address them. We give it to you guys. Then you can call their medical doctor. They will come and see all this medication. Even we can give them some prescribed medication when they have high blood pressure, diabetes.
If you tell us some of those things,
Yeah, the doctors can see it and then see what. But instead of paracetamol, arthritis, we have all those, and then we have vitamins and all the supplements. You know, something for the stomach. A lot of people have gas reflux, ulcers. We have all those. Okay, let me start. So we go on. Come on. Before we continue, and it's gonna be well. I see that the new problem mania. So I got John, the doctor gave me. I have an eye doctor. So we have numbers here. The doctors will look at it and check what the size they need. What is that one? I'm lying with a lot of eyeglasses. Okay. Okay. So, Anya Japozo.
Welcome.
Omunem, Kekunum. Anya get on a wheelchair. Get email. Get up, Baggy. If I knew you, Akoma. Get a town again. It's quite Imo State, okay? Abia State. Okay, good. All right. Okay, you give me your channel. You know how Galije? Okay. I'll get him a Z. Oh, okay. All right. So, obviously, last year.
No, I've been here for
many years. And you for your years last year.
Yeah, he was here.
Okay. All right. Umunem, anyị na onye isi unu ekwugo, onye ozi Jehova. Ọ ihe dị mma na Chineke hụrụ anyị n'anya. Amasị otu ọnọdụ anyị siri dị, anyị ga na-elote na anyị bụ ụmụ Chineke, right? Na Chineke hụrụ anyị n'anya. Maka na ọ bụrụ na ọ hụrụ anyị n'anya, ọ ma ndupụte ndị a ọnọfọrọ here ka anyị chọrọ unu na-abịa every year. Chineke wee mezie ya ọma mma na anyị mbụ ndị si America bụ ụmụada ndị Igbo. Ofu chapter anyị nọ n'America, ndị Baltimore, Maryland, wee decide ka ha bịazie nyere unu aka dozibe ọnọdụ unu ebe a. Onye na-represent ha bụkwa onye ozi m nọkwa here. Mana ọ bịa the other day gwa m na ọkụ chọrọ ịgba n'ohie, ọ bụ na ọ nọrọ here, nsogbu gara edoro ohi. That is Honorable Mrs. Chama Opara from Baltimore chapter. Anyị nwekwaziri ndị ọzọ. Onye a bụ onye nke na-ekpokọta njem anyị bịalụ this last year na this year. Bụ Tyson anyị kpọrọ ya reach all Igbo state of Nigeria. Tyson. So onye kpatara anyị ji bịa Ụzakọlị bụ na-represent ndị Abia State. So ọnụnwa nwere isi ọma na-eri elele ndị Abia State. Ka anyị kọrọ onwe anyị aka. So n'ike anyị ga-agụrụ Honorable Mrs. Juliet Okenji from Delta State.
You are welcome.
I didn't say where she came from. My daughter, Chama Opera, is from Mbise, Imo State.
You are welcome.
Then I enwezikwa onye na-emere anyị accounting bụ onye na-ejidere anyị nwa obere ego anyị nwe. Ọnya bụ Honorable Lolo Lize Udenta, the National Financial Secretary. Before I go on to
you know, I don't know what to say, but only sima ekutechala ihe inime, you know, nomlobi. Agmasuno, you know, tukasanu obi na Chineke. I like them now. Eba, the foundation is of God. You know, onye nwere Chineke enwe ihe nyere ya. Onye anyị nwere onye na-edu anyị, and onye na-edu anyị ọ na-eduzi anyị ji ọfụma. Uja tuluno. The little I nwere I get rọra Chineke ọrụ I get at the end of the goal only aha nke Chineke ka ga na-ebuli onye lụrụ Oziakọlị leprosy center colony and no aha Umuada ndị Igbo at the end of the day aha Chineke ga nọrọ ụtụtụ.
On that note, and onwere okwenye ihe Chukwu na-ama mme. Ndị ụmụada ndị Igbo decide na anyị ga-anachighete azụ bido rụba ọrụ Chineke. Anyị wee wetazikwa ozi ọma from onye isi unu. So na ọnụnụ anyị from Ụzakọlị ọ ka ga-eteta ebere aka. Amen. Olileanya abịago. The hope has come. Amen. Our mission says the mission for hope. You are part of it. Amen. So, n'ime ọgwụ mbutalụ anyị ga-enye unu ọgwụ ga-eme biko take one picture ka ha fụ na no map international medical program. Anyị ga-enye unu ọgwụ ọrụ ike, ọgwụ ọkpụkpụ, ọgwụ nke ga-edozi ụmụaka. Afọ m unu nwechara obere ụmụaka ma nke arụ ọkụ ngwa unu ọrụ nke ga-enye ụmụaka na arụ ọkụ mere ha na supplement. Enweghị m doubt na ọgwụ a ga-aga through all of you. Anyị nwekwuzi bandages na ihe eji emechi ọya nke so nwere onye ọya nke ya meghere. Then enwere onye ozi Jizọs. Amara m ka onye nwe diabetes una na-check diabetes onye nwe enu. Then ọ bụrụ na onye nwe enu, then we have to give him one. But ọ bụrụ na unu na-eje na center anyị amaghị ya because we don't want people to use for another person because of infection control. So I'm going to put this one. Paracetamol you have a big bottle. Yeah. It's 1,000. So meaning that in Oya Rock, because we have multivitamins. Okay, umaka nke ha dị iche, but ndị a bụ 4K. Anyị nwere ncha eji asa ụmụaka isi. Anyị nwekwara antibiotic, yeah, oya, nechi oya, and hydration. That's more hydration. And then vitamin C, kanatata. A lot of stuff is here. No one carb children vitamins. So it will refer to animal shape with iron. So it will offer in your marker, marker, anata, so many things. Also, these glasses, Amaromo ne had in a center, but I'm onion, the kaja denai. And how many inmates came with?
Right now, we have up to 30-something inmates.
Oh, 30-something inmates. Okay. The
number is always fluctuating.
Okay, so I put this is to Nuga appointed and I opted to come in and check Anya. Near her glasses, they fit in Anya. And then always in careful, it don't we are able to be here. Only case somebody in Kiabaji, and actually it has, so that we pick another one. Also, I got a gift for you, and I want you to know this is a special gift for me as a founder. Ncha Demma, the Doziaro, all the 24 here. Amaro Nomoka, Hanona family.
Some of them are family.
Okay, so what we need to do is how many workers came in? So only 2 of you?
Of course, yeah.
Okay, so unuwelo 6, that is 12. That 12 for una aka family to family, Indian family. Okay, so that they can also benefit. All right. About me with the based on me regarding the feeding. Last year when we came, you saw what we did, right? On behalf of Umuada and Igbo, our long-term goal is to find a place we can build a cassava mill industry.
Yeah.
And then you touch my soul this afternoon, because some people have been asking, say the cassava mill industry. The hindrance is location, our location, and location. So if we are going to take care of the church of God, and we are going to take care of the basic needs, I think your center will be a place life will return again.
Sure.
Amen.
So after Mbashali's with ndị otu m, Umuada ndị Igbo si ihe na-eri kama nke ọnwụ. Ebe ọ bụ na anyị rutara here, anyị ama nnụcha story na agụ okwu ndị mmadụ na December couldn't give them right to cook. I know with 200,000. We will party and you just say with the end down there. But have Christmas. This is you guys' Christmas. But right, so no Buddha. But this so no you get a from me. We here he will later is no nine. Also, as a long-time promise, Umuada and Igbo, with the cooperation with your center and whoever is in charge of this facility, Umuada and Igbo will launch our first cassava mill industry that will benefit the youth. Like I said, it's going to be a long-time goal. So we're going to go home and prepare, and you also go home and sit down and put the budget and discuss with the people. I don't know who owns these lands. Is it the community or just leprosy center?
It's our own.
It's your own. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. So we don't have any issue. All we need to do is to start communicating.
Yeah.
Osoga Bumasi Chineke, the commission will come back and commission that part. While the Baltimore chapter will now commission the work of the church. We thank you for everything that you're doing. No amount of money will pay or will pay your sacrifices and devotion to God, knowing that these are children of God too, and you are giving them opportunity to live. Umuada's goal is to make sure that a life is touched, and every child has a reason to have a smile in their face, and a reason to have a parents who love them. And this our goal. If you can bring it here, you have done our work. So I will thank you, and we're gonna go to commission. When it's commission, you're gonna have people who gonna come and put courtesy. We're gonna put our stamp by the church. Everything we build is nothing is returning for us. We're just gonna do it for you guys to benefit and for them to. Amen. Amen. So we thank you. Don't have anything to say. Wow, Chapel of Hope. Oh, we have a call in it. Yeah, turn around. Let's turn around and take. Yeah. What is the Jehovah?
Okay. Sand and Stone by Umuada and Igbo.
Yeah. Okay.
So inside that building, we have like some leftover materials.
Okay, we gotta go there. So can we get there? Because we're gonna see what they have.
We used the rod we had here. So rod was not.
I know, but let's see what they have there at least.
Okay. Yeah, Harry. Harry. What are we take care about mental?
So mad at it, right? Putting this one on there. Okay. So
The issue is with this, we can now be able to pull the roof and get the roof back.
and get what?
Before the roof, before we now pull the roof, this thing must be here.
Okay.
That's the essence.
So we will take this one up.
No, it's no more going on.
Okay.
Any work that will start here now is just to start pulling the roof in order to remove it.
Oh, okay. So this will help
Yes.
to now put rods
This
to
is
put
a
a
kind
roof
of reinforcement
reinforcement.
to hold the main roof. I get it. This
Yeah.
is a kind of reinforcement.
Okay.
So this side and the other side.
So now, can you look over there? What are we going to do with the top there, which the bricks are already falling out?
Now, some of those ones will be pulled. Yeah, those will be pulled.
Okay. Yeah, because it was because of the rain
Because
that
of
causes all that.
Yeah.
Hey, look at Umunem. Look at what the rain did. Hey, this is heating of rain and rain and rain and rain until the whole foundation is almost falling. Okay. Whatever that has happened, we just take it as it happened. Look at here. Look at all the rain. How messy this place. You guys come this way and see this. This is it. All that rain, and God knows how many years. A child that was born in the Civil War or before the Civil War is in 50 right now. You know, so 50, 51, 52. Look at that. So about 50 years ago or more, this building, the missionaries left, it has been like this. and the community, the medical, the government, and business people, nobody really cares about. Are you seeing what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So can you buy inside?
Okay.
And you get somewhere back about say.
No, let's follow.
Lifetime, I will give God my lifetime. My lifetime, I will give God my lifetime. If I give God my lifetime, He will take care of me. I will give God my lifetime. My lifetime, I will give God my lifetime. My lifetime, I will give God my lifetime. If I give God my lifetime, He will take care of me. He will never let me down. I will give God my lifetime. Thank you, Lord. A day like this will never be in this life. That God promised and delivered. That as Ozakole, Abia State, have become a home for Umuada and Igbo.
Yes.
And a place of worship that we're going to re-erect so that God's name will continue to be glorified. Amen. The man of God, actually better here before we commission. Go ahead.
Awesome God, we worship you. The Prince of Peace, we adore you. Excellent Jehovah, we give you praise. Receive all glory. Receive all honor. Receive all thanksgiving. In the mighty name of Jesus. Lord, you made us to see this wonderful year, favorable year of grace, year of divine increase, year of abundance blessings. We thank you for the life we are living. We thank you, King of Glory, for making us to exist. While, Lord, those who desire to have this year could not make it. Lord, it is not by our righteousness. It is not by our good deeds. It is not by anything we can think of, but because of your mercy. Thank you, Lord. In Jesus' name. Lord, we thank you for a journey mercy granted unto your servants and unto all the people that followed her, unto the Adandi, King of Glory, for the vision you entrusted into their hand. This is a sacrificial call. A call, King of Glory, to go and give people relief. A call, King of Glory, to restore the hope of the hopeless. King of Glory, so many do not understand the benefit of this type of calling. And that is why they don't take it as anything. That is why most people, King of Glory, who have the opportunity, they don't have the mind, they don't have the spirit, they don't have what it takes to go and do the work. Lord, we thank you for this wonderful organization. Thank you for the vision carrier. Thank you, King of Glory, for the person, Lord, whom you gave the inspiration, Lord, King of Glory, to bring this organization, and Lord, for the understanding, the unity, the love, King of Glory, for the humility, Lord, in them. We appreciate you. Receive all glory. Receive all honor. Receive all adorations. In the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. Many took off from their destination, but they couldn't make it. Many left and bid farewell to their family members. They couldn't return back. Lord, but these people, they left their various places. They left USA, King of Glory, to be here happily, to celebrate in this glorious season. And Lord, to have time to enter into this area of abandonment. Enter into this area where people are being thrown out, cast away from the community. Lord, there is no discrimination in them, no stigmatization in them, no spirit of abandonment. They have seen it, King of Glory, that the people that are here, they are human beings. And King of Glory, they have desire to come to the rescue of the perishing, to restore the hope of the hopeless. Ancients of days, as your oracle and as a priest ordained, King of Glory, as a priest, King of Glory, who have brought into this place at this time, Lord, I pray that as they have come, carrying the burden of others, their own body, King of Glory, you shall carry in Jesus' name. Amen. Lord, in all their endeavor, you shall see them through. Amen. Lord, in the lives of their family members, you shall see them through. Amen. None of them shall fall victim of circumstances. Amen. Every arrows of the enemy, I divert it back to the sender. Amen. In the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. Lord, none of them shall regret coming here. Amen. Instead, they shall see divine increase. Amen. Any little thing they touch, from the head to the security man in our midst, every individual under this roof, I pray that your grace will follow them. Amen. Lord, there is a grace you placed upon me that made people to be asking this question. Why is it that whenever you get into a solid land, a dry land, within a short time, everywhere will look as being watered? Yes. And I know, King of Glory, that grace, everyone at the sound of my voice, places of difficulties shall be easy for them. Amen. Where other people suffer, they shall celebrate there. Amen. Where other people were unfruitful, they shall be fruitful. Amen. Ancients of days, I've never gone to a place and left without a record. And through these people, you have shown me that whomsoever you want to have mercy on, you will always have mercy on. Yes. Lord, you have brought these people to remove shame from me. To tell people that bringing me here is not for punishment, that it is for a purpose. Yes. I pray upon their life. The ways of blessing shall open for them. Amen. Windows of heaven shall open for them. Amen. King of Glory, silver and gold belongs to you. Everything on this earth belongs to you. Things in heaven belongs to you. You give to those whom you love. None of them shall go out of this chapel empty-handed. Amen. In the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. Let this 2019 be a year of testimony. In their families, year of testimony. In their works, anything they touch, testimony shall follow them. And King of Glory, my prayers upon their life, this 2019 will never see their end. They will see the end of this 2019 and other years to come. In the mighty name of Jesus. The Bible says, I should tell the righteous, it is well with us. Yes. Because you have come to do this. Because you have done this. Because you have never looked at the situation of the country. Because you have never been selfish. Because you have never smiled or laughed over the conditions of this less privilege. The Lord shall surprise you. Amen. The Lord shall give you joy. Amen. The Lord shall give you testimony. Amen. In the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. I commit our mommy into your mighty care. This vision in her life shall continuously attract blessings. Amen. Wherever she showcased issue of this place, it shall find favor. Amen. And King of Glory, you shall establish her more and more. Amen. Enemies gathering against her, every meeting against her, I stand as an oracle and pray that you put confusion in their midst. In the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. Wherever they gather to discuss her behind, within a twinkling of eye, confession will begin. Amen. In the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. Wherever they gather and speak any evil against her vision, King of Glory, in a twinkling of eye, confession shall begin. Amen. Those who gathered, they shall find themselves. Amen. In the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. Bless their going out and their coming in. Amen. Bless vehicles that will carry them to every place. Amen. The aeroplane they will enter, King of Glory, your angels will guide and surround them. Amen. None of them shall die on the air. Amen. None of them shall die on the ground. Amen. Everywhere they place their foot, it shall be a source of blessings. Amen. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Is there anybody here with any type of sickness? King of Glory, I pray for divine healing. Amen. You've entered into a place of restoration. Yes. The glory of your life shall be restored. Amen. In the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. We cover our lives with the blood of Jesus. We protect everything about us with the blood of Jesus. I pray, King of Glory, that the sacrifices they made here shall never be in vain. Amen. We are going to reward them in abundance. Amen. King of Glory, what man cannot do for them, you are going to do it for them. Amen. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Receive all glory. Amen. Receive all honor. Amen. Receive all adoration. Amen. In Jesus' mighty name we pray. Amen. Let's share in the grace.
And the fellowship of the Holy Spirit be with us now and forever. Amen.
Now, the Honorable Mrs. Chama Opera, representing the national as a chief of staff and representing her chapter as the organization or the chapter that adopted this center. And then Juliet, the chairperson of the Tyson this year, and the financial secretary, Lolo, Liz Udenta, and Juliet Ukeje. And on behalf of Umuada, we're going to commission the work of Ozakole Leprosy Center of reconstructing and remodeling the Church of Christ, which is termed Chapel of Hope. In the name of the Father, Amen, and the Son, Amen, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Amen. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank God.
Thank God. No commissioner, our daddy. very nice. Thank you, Reverend.
You still get the camera.
No problem.
She
Thank
will
you
be
so
the next one. No matter what, if you can't reach me, please. Okay?
Good day, sir.
Yeah, good day.
Okay, sir. Sir, please, we'd like to know your name.
Yeah, I'm very Reverend Joshua Okpara, Onyuzi Jehovah,
Okay, you're welcome.
the project director of Leprosy Center, Uzuakole.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, sir, please, in your own way, can you tell us what happened today?
What happened today is that we have a visit of Umuada and Igbo from US, and they came here to commission the project they started. That is very happy. That is the chapel. They want to rehabilitate it.
Okay.
It's a dilapidated chapel, so and they made also some other donations and promises of things they will do in order to help this center. They have established a chapter here
Okay.
to be part of every project that is going on here. So that is what is happening today.
Yeah, it's like work is on already.
Yes, work is on because since last year they brought in some people to come and start off the work of reinforcement before re-roofing the church, and they may be putting in things that they can as much as their hand can. So the work is already on.
Okay, how do you feel about this
I
visitation?
feel highly excited because this place, we are here like people abandoned. Are you getting me? When you look at this center, you see that nobody is talking about this center again. Nobody, government is not talking about it. Most people that have money, NGOs, they are no more coming around this place. I don't know why. And right now, for me to have seen people that God have sent at this critical period to come to our rescue, I'm very, very happy. I'm very, very happy.
Okay, sir. You're welcome, sir. Your name again?
My name, very Reverend Joshua Onyuzi Jehovah. And I want to say the good Lord who brought them here will take them back safely.
Amen.
And also bless them in abundance.
Amen.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay, please, I would like to know your name.
Oh, my name is Chioma Opara.
Okay. Please, in your...
Chioma Opara. I'm a member of Umuada and Igbo Baltimore chapter.
Okay. Please, in your own words, how can you explain what took place here today?
Oh, this is Uzakale Leprosy Center colony. It's chapter Umuada and Igbo Baltimore adopted. It's our baby chapter. Okay. And I will say in a quick summary, I am so blessed. I'm so thankful. This is a day we've been waiting for such a long time. And I'm so happy finally it has been commissioned. And as you see, work is already in progress. And we cannot wait to continue to do what we've planned to do for a long time.
What's the major work or the major plan here?
Our plan is to help Uzakole Leprosy Center, the colony. They don't have a place to continue their service, worship, which is their most, according to them, immediate needs. So we're going to help them to reach that goal, kind of secure a place for them to worship.
Okay. How do you feel about what took place here today?
So far, so good. I am so thankful to God. I'm so thankful to our overseer, our founder, Chief Mrs. Grace Chinolema Agode, for commissioning this place for us today so that we can start the work.
You're welcome there.
Thank
Your
you
name
so
again?
much. And Chioma Angelican Opera.
Okay, you're welcome.
Thank
God
you.
bless you.
And you too.
What we did.
Auntie, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Please, we'd like to know your name.
Oh, my name is Mrs. Juliet Ukeje.
Okay. Please, we'd like to know what took place here today in your own words.
Oh, okay. Actually, this is a vision that we've had for quite some time, and I'm very happy that we were able to accomplish, our vision and our goal for this organization today here in this leprosy colony in Uzakole. Whatever we did today, it is by the grace of God that we're able to do it. But the most importantly, I give all the praise to God, because we ended up commissioning a lot of things here, trying to renovate the house, the church house for the colony people, and be able to raise some money for them, that they will feed on, and at the same time commissioning the sand and other things that we just mentioned right here. So it's an honor. May all glory be to God that we're able to accomplish our goal.
Okay.
So I thank you.
You're welcome. Your name again, please.
My name again is Mrs. Juliet Ukeje.
Okay. You're welcome.
Thank you so
God
much.
bless you.
When I think upon your goodness and your faithfulness each day,